Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So I am a pool villa enthusiast. I am here in the Sairee Hut Resort here in Koh Tao. And yes, I booked another pool villa. Oh yeah, what's up?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh man, this bird talks. So yeah, I thought I would do a quick review of the pool villa here. The pool villa here. And for reference, I booked this for 75 bucks a night. So let's go check it out. So join me as Jack's off to another pool villa. Let's go. All right, so here's the entrance with very little security. You can just open it like this. And here's our entrance. And upon entering the pool villa, we have the fridge, water, and check it out. The first thing you see is a blow dryer. So if you're a girl, you must love this. An ashtray. What is this? Your health, our care, prevent COVID-19. So this must be like a hand sanitizer spray. These are unmarked, so these are probably drugs. And then we got earplugs. Nice, but only one set though. Oh, you got the water heater, you got your drinks, you got a cute little tissue box, and then you have a mirror. This is like, okay, here's the entrance. You walk in, and then you have the mirror station, and this is where you do the makeup. So imagine you're doing your makeup here with your back to the door. If someone wants you dead, it's easy for them to kill you. But here's the escape route. Check it out. You can just escape here. Haha. And then here's clickbait, looking pretty, being my clickbait. And here's like the living room area. Check it out. You got the long couch, and then you got the TV. And I don't get why the TV's like right here. They should move it over here to the center of the couch. And then here's the bed. This is the first time I've ever seen a room they put all the towels on the bed. It's usually in the bathroom, but at least they make it look very nice though. Check it out. They put some effort into it. And yeah, here's the closet. Let's see what's in here. The robe, the umbrella, because it does rain here sometimes in Koh Tao. And then, right next to the closet is the bathroom. Check it out. The bathroom with the concrete design. The vanity set looks super clean. And then here's the knobs, and the TP situation. So as you see, there's no TP here. The TP is here, which is kind of inconvenient because you gotta bring it over here when you want to wipe your ass. Or if you don't want to wipe your ass, you can just use this to spray your ass. And here's the toilet. And check it out. They also offer you some shampoo. What is this? Body wash. And conditioner. So all your amenities for washing yourself is over here. And here's the shower area, which I don't know. Usually they would have like a bathroom gel here for you to just like use, but now you have to carry this over here to wash yourself. But here's the shower. You also got the rain head, and you got the natural view. And of course, if you want some privacy throughout the whole villa, you can just close the blinds right here. All right. Now let's get to the most important part, the pool. So check it out, here's the pool right here. And that bird out there is still talking shit. Yeah. And you can lounge out here, you can work under the sunshine while you're swimming. So while clickbait's swimming here looking sexy and stuff, I'll be working out here. But one thing to note though, if you are trying to play in the pool looking sexy, there's no privacy. And that's why that bird out there is when clickbait is in here. So the room itself isn't too bad, but as for the pool, it's kind of small. You can't really swim here. It's basically here for you to chill while it's really hot out here in Koh Tao. As a pool villa enthusiast and critic, I gotta say this is probably the worst one I've been to here in Thailand. But then again, I only paid 75 bucks for it, so you get what you pay for. So as for now, for me and clickbait, we're just gonna enjoy every bit of the 75 bucks I paid for. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.